Hey, how's it going? We're here. We're going to do another review. I am going with Popeyes today. I have the chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich. Let's see how this thing looks. It's looking pretty good to me. Got pickles. It's got the spicy mayo on there. It's nice soft bun. It's a nice big piece of chicken. Let's put the fries over here. That mayo is spicy. That is spicy mayo. It's definitely not gonna melt your face off, but it's spicy. Let's put this down. We'll get everything else ready. I just went with a regular Coke. And yay, Popeyes has plastic or paper straws too. Look at the size of that, whatever. Can't read the thing on the soda really. Alright, that's good. And they sent me some buttermilk ranch for the fries, I guess. So there's the ingredients. I don't know if you can read that. I have no clue. I can't read it right now, I'll tell you that. All right, so let's try and not be really messy. I hope everybody's having a good day. I hope everybody called their mother or saw your mother or something, you know, communicated with your mother on Mother's Day. Because she deserves it. Actually, I need that back. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and start into this. I did a short earlier, so I mean they gave me a whole, I mean not a whole bag, but that's a lot of fries. It's definitely a lot of fries, and they're still hot. Not too crispy, but they're still hot. Maybe I'll get into this buttermilk ranch in a minute. All right, so we're going in. Looks very good. It is still crispy. Got, like I said, lots of spicy mayo on there. Nice piece of chicken. Lots of mayo on the bottom. Got 2 pickles. So we'll go ahead and get into this. I'm gonna go right there. All right, cheers. I've never had the Popeyes chicken, spicy chicken sandwich. So hopefully it's a little spicy at least, especially with that mayo. I like the breading that they have on that. Very good. It's that time. I didn't really get pickle in there. I definitely bit into it, but I didn't taste it that much, so maybe the spicy mayo is overpowering it there. Got pickle in that one. That's a huge piece of chicken if you ask me. It's spicy. It's not super spicy. I think it's all the mayo is what's making it spicy. But it's not ghost pepper or anything like that. I'm not sure what kind of heat they actually put on this. But it's good. It's definitely got a kick to it. Definitely. Um, I asked them to put extra spicy mayo on it. I don't know if that's extra. I really don't think so. But you never know. Anyway, go get the Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. It's pretty good. I've never had the chicken sandwich from Popeyes. I mean, I would get it again. It wasn't, yeah, I think it was $12 before tax. So, I mean, kind of what you expect nowadays. Anyway, that's going to do it. Yeah, make sure you talk to your mother. Wish her a great day and all that. Tell her you love her. I will catch back with you later. Like, comment, share, subscribe. See you later. Oof.